Edit items. In this video, I'll show you how to embed your form, and in our instance, document generation form, onto a community lightning page. All right, so let's start. What we have here is a document generation, word mapping, and we have it set to preview before submit and auto preview, and we have template map. Let's take a look at our template. So it's just bringing in simple contact information, and the way we will pull up the information is using the contact ID record right there. All right, now the only thing we need to do is to know our contact ID hidden field ID. So in our instance, FLD2. And we have one more thing over here is the Salesforce integration, the push to Salesforce, and we're going to push once the user selected the submit, we're going to push the file under that contact. All right, so let's take a look. The first thing I've done here is created a visual force. So let's head to our setup and go to the visual force pages. And our page is page in community. And what I've done here, I just published the document and grabbed the iframe from here, and I passed the FLD2 ID to the current user. So since it's our community user, then we know it has a contact ID, so we can just pull in the visual force the user.contact ID. You can also pass in record IDs from the community onto your visual force, and then you will access it from like current page.record ID or something like that, and then you can pass it over here as well. Depends on your scenario. In our scenario, it's pretty simple. We're just going to grab the contact ID from the user, and we will embed it on the home page of the community. All right, so we're at the community builder, and we're just going to add a visual force component, and we'll put it over here. And let's say it's our page in community. We don't need to touch anything else. I'm just going to make it a little bit taller. So 700 pixels, and I'll publish it. Now I'm going to head over to my home. I'm logged in as Jack Rogers, which is a user on that community, and we're fetching the files, and here it is. The file is mapped. Jack Rogers brought the mapping. I mapped here the address and a few other things, and once I hit continue, it will push the record to Salesforce. It will push the map document onto Salesforce. So if I had the Jack Rogers and I'll refresh this page, I will see my Word document right there. And this is how it's done.